way of troubleshooting a furnace. Won't go too far in depth. This is the igniter, which is that black igniter right in the back there. It's hard to see. Put your 2 prongs in there. Check for ohms, 18. If it says this, then you have to replace the igniter because it's broken. Plug it back in. Go through the sequence of operation. So you need power. Need lights down here. We don't have any lights. Lots of times there's a fuse that blows and then something's shorting out. Or the power is not on to the furnace. So if you don't have those lights, check to see if there's a switch on. Or if you have power coming, then the transformer. Inducer motor will turn on, pressure switch will go on, then the igniter, hot surface igniter will glow. So if you tested it and you had ohms and that's not lighting, then you might have a problem with the pressure switch or these little buttons that you have to push. Then the flames will come on. If they go off and then it tries to cycle again, then it's your hot or your flame rod sensor, which is right there. So you can pull that out, clean it with a green Scotch-Brite pad, and then put it back in and try it, and then that should get you going. Usually that's majority of the problems if it's going off and on. If it doesn't click on, then you could have a gas valve problem or something with the flames pressure switch, the high limit. If it trips and you're coming down, then I would check the filter, because the filter could tell you that if it's too blocked or too dirty, then it's not going to push enough air through, which is the blower motor won't be able to push it through. And then once the blower motor kicks on, run it for a little bit. If it trips, then you have some kind of blockage, or if the blower motor doesn't turn on, then your blower motor either has a problem. Good way to find out if you have any kind of control board problems is look for any black burn marks on the control board. These are your different settings for your blower motor. This down here is for your thermostat upstairs, and then these LED lights will tell you error codes. Just a quick basic run through. You can also go to your multimeter, put one lead on the ground wire. It's easier if you have 2 hands, and then you can check your high limit. So if you have 26 volts going there, check the other side, 26, so you know you have power through. If you have 0 readings, check to make sure the other one's on the ground and one's here. If you have 0 readings, then you know the high limit's tripped, and it's probably a dirty filter and a blower motor is not kicking on.